lovely flowers, it's me Nia with Exquisite Floral Design and Events, and today we are going to make a Mother's Day arrangement with Trader Joe flowers. So I ordered this lovely box from Amazon, and so it's just, well, it's like a, yeah, I guess you could say it's a box. But I ordered this from Amazon. I'll put the link at the bottom if I don't carry them in my store. And we are going to now fit a floral foam. But because this is paper, it does have kind of like a wax inside. So I'm not very sure if it will take the floral foam, the wet foam. So we're going to line it and then do it that way. So what we're going to do is, I just got this from the 99-cent store, and it's the wrapping paper. And so we are going to set this to the side. We're going to take our wrapping paper and a wet floral foam, and I'm guessing, let's see, probably 1/3 of a brick. So I'm gonna cut it by 1/3. And yes, my brick has been soaked in water. And I'm gonna take the clear wrap, and we're gonna take my floral foam. My wrap, and some scissors. We're just going to cut the wrap. Now, because of the fact that this is wet, I'm going to take some paper towel and dry that off. I'm going to take some paper towel and dry this off. I'm going to set this right here. And you know what, it's still a little bit too big. There we go. So we're just going to stick it in just like that, right? And we're just going to trim it a little bit. So I'm doing this video, I'm in the middle of making 35 centerpieces for a city event, and if you've seen the video before this, you'll see the teapots that I made. But I wanted to get my videos done for the week because I have the Trader Joe stuff. So I'm going to make this one light and airy, or an abstract type of arrangement, so that we're going to be using some of these jumbo mum balls. We're going to be, my second favorite. My first favorite is Lysianthus, and then my second are butterfly ranunculus, and then we're also going to use these lovely tulips, and we're going to use a little bit of the flowers from Trader Joe's, like the carnation and the daisy mum. And then I probably will use, I do have some eucalyptus I may use. Depending on how it looks when I get to that point. So with me, I always start with the part that's coming out. That's just me. I start with that. So I always use my light and airy looking flowers to create that look. And these right here are like, they make that look. So let's see. one that has a little bit more. We're going to use one that has a little bit more of a, nope, not so droopy. But let's put, I'm going to put this one right here. And let's see. This one is not as droopy. I'm going to bring up a little bit so that we could, so we can see it a little bit better. So we have this one, and I'm going to put her right there. And we have this one right here. I'm going to turn just a little bit. We have this one right here. Yep. And we're going to have her kind of low right there. And I like this. Let's put it right kind of lower. Giving that some height. I'm still not liking this one, so I'm gonna put her kind of close. Then this one will go right here, and as you can see, higher up here, lower right there. And this is hard for me to make because I always want to use the rules that I learned in floral school, which is some balance, but we're not using balance. And you know what? I love the little buds that come with this, so I'm going to put that in there. Okay? So we have that together. Now I'm going to use the tulips. And with my tulips, I am going to flex them. And to flex, all I'm going to do is just bend back. All right, and so we have my tulips flexed, and I'm going to kind of put that right there. And I'm going to take another tulip, and I'm going to go ahead and flex. And so to flex, we're just going to bend the petal back. And to me, tulips aren't my favorite, but once I flex them, oh my gosh, they become my favorite. And so let's put her right here at the top. It's gonna curl. And I'm gonna put one right here. And again, we're just gonna flex it. And I'm gonna put another one, like I said, I put one right here. And we're supposed to like do in threes. You guys know the golden rule of three, making a triangle. So my triangle is gonna go right here. And hopefully you guys can see the triangle that I created, okay? And let's go on this side. let's create our 3. We'll put one right there, and I'm going to put another one right here after I flex it. This top view, I don't think it's a good view for this particular look, but we started. And I'm gonna put that tight in there. So let's see. And now I'm going to put one, let's see, one kind of low headed in the front. Again, let's flex it. Let's see. Thinking right here. And I got my triangle going for that one. And then let's put another one. And I think I have a triangle right here, so I think I'm gonna kind of tilt it more forward. Let's flex that one a little bit. So yeah, so we got that right there. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm trying to think. I'm gonna probably put one right here in this corner. Okay, so now we have our carnations with 6. I mean, we did 9 of them, right? Not carnations, I'm sorry. Our tulips, we got 9 of them. And so then put our tulip right there. Now, after I have my beautiful, I swear I want her to sit up a little bit. I think I'm going to take I love how she looks, but she's giving me too fluffy, too droopy, and not giving me what I'm looking for. Okay, so we're going to take the mums, and then I'm just going to kind of put them down kind of low to cover the base within here. I probably should have put these kind of you know what? I don't like that. Let's see. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to use from that. And then I'm thinking about, let's see, what is this giving? I don't know if I like that or I think I'm going to use the carnations. The carnations. And now I just really need, I'm feeling like in the center, Oh, sorry. I'm off in the corner thinking about what I'm about to do. Off in the, I think I'm just going to put this lovely rose low. There we go. Now for any spots that, let's see. So I'm just trying to look and see what I need to do on my end. I need some type of filler. I'm guessing I'm gonna go with, I don't really like, I keep forgetting to look up the name of this, but I guess I'll have to use it anyway because we need something to kind of hit up the corners of our arrangement. Something right there. Beautiful. And then I'm gonna put something right here. All right, so that is the end of our lovely free falling. I had some purple. No, we're only using what's in this package. Let me see if I add it. Nope, I don't want this. Let's add just one more little bit. See some places. Okay, nope, I think we are pretty well pretty good with it. So I think we're pretty good. Everything looks, I would take because it's, even though I love these and they're so droopy and pretty, I would have taken a wire and kind of wired this so that it wouldn't droop so much. But thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn more about being in the floral business, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I mean, not subscribe, but become a member of my channel. And you guys have an awesome day. Goodbye.
Because this town isn't exactly crawling with ladies. Yes. Thank